Hey friends, today we are making a delicious breakfast. If you are totally sick of eggs, this will be perfect for you. 16 grams of protein in my apple pie Dutch baby. It's a brand new recipe I'm sharing today from my new book, The 30-Day Sugar Elimination Diet, that comes out in December. Pre-orders are available now and I truly appreciate your support. So today, this recipe is for one person. You can enjoy the whole thing, and it's very simple and easy to do. We just blend it up in your blender, pour it in the pan, and it bakes for 15 minutes. Let me show you how to make it.
Start by adding some butter to a cast iron skillet. This is about 8 inches, 400 degrees. We're gonna heat that up while we get the eggs into a blender, along with heavy cream, apple pie extract. Do not leave this out of the recipe. Then choose your low-carb sweetener. We are using Swerve Confectioners, almond flour, and apple pie spice with a little bit of salt. Then we're going to blend this up until smooth. And now your butter is nicely melted. Swirl it around the bottom of the skillet, pour it in, and bake for 15 minutes till the edges are nice and golden brown. You can top with a little bit more Swerve Confectioners if you like, totally optional. A few slices of apple, though no apple is actually in this delicious apple pie Dutch baby. And we have some cinnamon maple syrup that is sugar-free and low carb. This entire delicious breakfast, dinner, or snack, it has 16 grams of protein and 4 total carbs. This comes from my new book, The 30-Day Sugar Elimination Diet, and you can pre-order that now on Amazon. Comes out December 6th. Thank you for your support.